It's foundation day at Rebuild the Woods. For the Woods home, we chose a superior walls foundation system. It gave us better timing to keep the project moving, more precise placement where the original foundation once stood, and an upgraded insulation for the basement to help make their new home more comfortable and efficient. The foundation is officially set, and we're ready for concrete, backfill, and then the next phase. Another milestone down. Come see what we're building at Rebuild the Woods.
This is Rebuild the Woods, the long road back to ordinary life. Follow their story, join the build.